Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Redmi A5 and let me share with you how to enable the developer options on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here in this general list we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone. Then we have to localize a special number which is called build number, which is at the very bottom of the list. So keep tapping on it until you'll see that you're in the developer mode. Then let's go back to the general list of the settings and enter the system. Here scroll down and enter developer options, and as you can see here we've got plenty of advanced settings which we can customize. So for example we can reset notification importance. Here we can show view updates, change the window animation scale. Here we've got some options which are connected to the working overall. So all you have to do to turn on the feature is to simply tap on the switcher on it and it will be immediately activated and applied. You can turn it off the same way, of course, and if you've got the options without the switcher, simply tap on them to open more options to choose from. If you're done with customization of developer options, you can turn them off. Just tap on the switcher which is pinned to the top of the screen, and most of the options will be inactive, and after getting back the developer options will disappear from the system settings. But of course, no worries, you can customize them again. Just go back to the build number step and keep tapping. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.